Fields blizzard from winter wonderland to a class 3 kill storm.
How will the kids get home?
I don't know. Internet?
Children, it seems the phone lines are down, so I'm afraid we're stuck here for the duration.
I can cut a trail through the snow. I'm part Eskimo.
I don't care if you're Christy Yamaguchi. No one leaves the building. You're not going home.
That's so unfair.
Oh, this blows.
But I wish you hadn't sawed off my roof.
My car, your roof. It's only fair.
But it's my car.
That's my name. That game again is Mr. Plow.
I'm so hungry. I want more.
Screw this. The rest of you can stay here like dorks, but I'm going home.
We want out! We want out! We want out!
Eesh, it's getting ugly out there. I said stand down.